In today's age, a computer desk is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a crucial part of your home or office setup. A well-designed desk can make a huge difference in your efficiency and posture. Whether you need space for multiple monitors or a compact desk for a small room, there's a perfect option for you. In today's digital age, a computer desk is more than just a piece of furniture. It's a crucial part of your home or office setup. A well-designed desk can make a huge difference in your efficiency and posture. Whether you need space for multiple monitors or a compact desk for a small room, there's a perfect option for you. Best computer desks to transform your workspace in 2023. 1. L-shaped desk. Computer desk, corner desks, gaming desk, PC table with CPU. Transform your workspace with the sweet crispy L-shaped desk. Its sleek black design fits perfectly in corners, maximizing space. The sturdy construction promises durability for years. A CPU stand and side bag offer practical storage solutions. Ideal for home offices, dorms, or gaming setups. Advantages: provides ample workspace for multitasking and increased productivity. Sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use and reliability. CPU stand keeps your computer safe and off the ground. Side bag offers convenient storage for accessories and supplies. Sleek black design enhances any home, office, or dorm room. Number 1. 2. 61 computer desk with power outlet and LED lights. Desk with fabric file cabinet drawer. Product number 2. Transform your workspace with the Furologi 61 computer desk. This desk features a built-in power outlet and vibrant LED lights, offering both style and functionality. Its fabric file cabinet drawer adds practical storage, keeping your essentials organized. With a large reversible table and shelves, it fits perfectly in any home office setup. The monitor stand ensures comfort during long study or work sessions. Advantages: built-in power outlet keeps devices charged and organized. Convenient and efficient. LED lights enhance workspace ambience and improve focus. Perfect for long hours. Fabric file cabinet drawer offers secure storage. Keeps documents tidy. Reversible table design fits any room layout. Flexible and adaptable. Monitor stand promotes better posture. Reduces neck and back strain. 3. L-shaped desk, gaming desk with LED light and power outlet. Product number 3. Discover the AODK L-shaped desk, perfect for gamers and home offices alike. This 53-inch desk features vibrant LED lights, adding excitement to your gaming setup. A reversible design offers flexibility, fitting any room layout. Keep your workspace tidy with its shelf, storage bag, and hook. Enjoy built-in power outlets for easy device charging. Advantages: enjoy versatile design with the reversible L-shaped configuration. Perfect fit. LED lighting enhances gaming ambience. Exciting and immersive experience. Built-in power outlet keeps devices charged. No interruptions. Ample storage with shelf, bag, and hook. Stay organized. Ideal for home offices. Stylish and functional workspace. 4. Desk with storage drawers. Product number 4. Transform your workspace with the Smug computer desk, featuring a sleek black design and modern simplicity. This small office desk offers ample space with a 40 by 24 desktop, perfect for any home or bedroom. Keep your essentials organized with the convenient 2-tier storage drawers. Ideal for study, writing, or working from home. Enhance your productivity and style with this versatile desk. Advantages: compact design saves space in small rooms or apartments. Spacious 40 by 24 desktop offers plenty of room for work. 2-tier drawers provide convenient storage for essentials. Modern black finish blends with any home decor. Easy assembly ensures quick setup without hassle. 5. Furologi computer desk with drawer and power outlets, 47. Product number 5. Discover the perfect blend of style and function with the Furologi computer desk. This 47-inch office desk is ideal for your home office setup. It features two monitor stands and a fabric file cabinet for easy organization. Rusted brown finish adds charm and warmth to any space. Built-in power outlets offer convenience for charging devices. Shelves and hooks provide additional storage for your essentials. Advantages: a versatile workspace boosts productivity and organization. The Furologi computer desk offers just that. Its rusted brown design enhances any room decor. Maximize your space with two monitor stands. This helps in multitasking efficiently. Ideal for work and gaming sessions. Keep your essentials within reach with built-in power outlets. Charge devices without hassle. Stay connected while you work. Utilize the fabric file cabinet for your documents. Neat storage makes finding papers easy. Perfect for home office needs. Organize accessories with shelves and hooks. A tidy desk enhances focus. Everything in its place, ready for use.